All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're reviewing the Schley 68-100. I bought this tool a while ago, and unfortunately, I was doing a bunch of compliance bushings on Hondas and Acuras, and so I bought this, and they all dried up. Always the way, right? I haven't had a chance to use it. Well, I got to use it today, and if you follow me on Instagram, you got to see a picture of it, and I'll put it right here. Works awesome. I mean, it is boom, done. If you work on Hondas and Acuras and you're doing compliance bushings and not control arms, get this tool. This tool right here. It's in the Amazon store if you want to buy it through me, but buy it. It works exactly as designed. I mean, it is exactly as designed. I mean, I can't say anything better on it. Not a sponsor, by the way. I paid for it, but exactly how it's supposed to work is how it works. It pressed out the bushing, it pressed it back in, didn't have to take the control arm out. On Instagram, I was talking to, Snap-on Tool Review, and he was going, yeah, it's awesome, and, make tons of money. It took longer for the parts to get here from our supplier than it took me to do the whole job. So get you one of those if you work on Hondas and Acuras. Really happy with that tool. Sucks, nobody wanted to do compliance bushings after I bought the tool. I mean, I was doing a couple a week before I bought this, and then so, you like this tool? Give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you don't like gravy, give me a thumbs down. I like gravy and biscuits too. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I'm a kind of soggy Flat Rate Master.